Hi, welcome back to my channel. No matter what type of website you're running, be it a blog, business site, portfolio, or online store, there are certain plugins that are universally beneficial. These plugins help enhance your website's performance, security, and user experience. Let's explore the top 5 plugins that every WordPress site should have. Every website needs to be discoverable, and that's where Yoast SEO comes in. It's designed to make search engine optimization straightforward. By analyzing your content for keywords, readability, and metadata, it ensures your site ranks well in search engines. The XML sitemap feature helps search engines crawl your site more efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or an SEO expert, Yoast SEO keeps your site visible to your audience. Design plays a significant role in user experience, and Elementor makes it easy to create visually stunning pages. Its drag-and-drop interface allows you to customize your site without touching a single line of code. Whether you're building a homepage, contact page, or landing page, Elementor offers responsive design options and pre-built templates to make your site look professional on any device. WP Rocket boosts your website's loading time by caching pages, optimizing files, and enabling lazy loading for images. This means your visitors will experience faster page loads, leading to better user retention and satisfaction. WP Rocket requires minimal setup, making it a perfect choice even if you're not tech-savvy. Regular backups are essential for every website, and Updraft Plus simplifies the process. This plugin allows you to back up your entire site, including files and databases, and store them on cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Amazon S3. In case of a crash or accidental deletion, Updraft Plus makes it easy to restore your site with just a few clicks, giving you peace of mind knowing your data is safe. These 5 plugins, Yoast SEO, Elementor, WP Rocket, WordFence Security, and Updraft Plus, are essential for every WordPress website. They enhance visibility, design, performance, security, and data protection, ensuring that your site is well equipped to serve your audience effectively. No matter the purpose of your site, these plugins will make a significant difference. Try them out and let me know how they work for you. Stay tuned for more WordPress tips and tutorials.